The video guide is about removing stopnotifications.com. Stopnotifications.com. This service is described by its authors as a helpful tool that may assist you in blocking some uncontrolled web push notifications, but in reality it works as a typical browser hijacker because it changes the default search engine without your permission. And Stop Notifications extension adds a special new tab, which is called exactly this way: Stop Notifications new tab. It will come up in every new tab instead of a blank tab. And furthermore, when you submit some search queries, you notice that the results are given by Bing or by Yahoo search. Even though Bing and Yahoo are decent search providers, they may be not your choice. However, when this extension called Stop Notifications is enabled, it will control important browser settings. Plus, you may be facing some strange ads attacking your screen randomly. To deactivate any suspicious extensions, go to the menu, click on More Tools, and now choose Extensions. Once again, Menu, More Tools, Extensions. You will find some suspicious extensions and you may deactivate them and remove them. But not all the extensions are dangerous. You have to be careful not to get rid of the extensions that are decent. And after you remove the extensions, consider checking your available Mac applications, because it could be that there is some adware in your Mac that is causing some pop-up troubles. Now, I would also recommend double checking your Mac additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and then click on Start Combo Scan, and the free analysis of your Mac will begin. So this is the end of scanning of our Mac computer by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs scanning and analysis of your Mac computer. You may click on the antivirus area and then click on the link Review Results to see the exact threats and their exact location. And then you may click on this special icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you the location of each specific threads in Finder, and you may move this thread manually to the trash. What's good about Combo Cleaner, even the trial mode of it, is that it gives you the exact location and helps you remove each thread one at a time. Or, of course, you may get rid of all threads altogether automatically, but with the premium version only.